team.
What do you guys want? You all side really close together. You all tell us where to go. Everyone jump in.
And now if I can have a conversation here, please, and I'll just wait. I'll wait. Here we go. Thank you.
Oh, please. I'm medicine because we never got together. No. We talked about it. Never.
You have any questions?
Yeah.
Since the show premiered, it's been remarkable to see people receiving gravitate to it. So what has this experience been like for you since it's
We did?
Oh.
I mean, it's been like the craziest year of my life. Stressful, beautiful, very rewarding. You know, also thought about walking in front of the train, but like it was great. You know, it's like in the end, it was all good. It's been a whirlwind. My life's changed. And to be able to share what we share with this show has been a blessing. And I think people really needed something that was hopeful, but truthful during this pandemic that we're in. And I think people really responded to the show because of that.
What made you want to walk in front of the train?
I mean, you know, just your usual, doing interviews. You know, not really. I would never walk in front of a train, but you know, it was just a crazy year. I mean, like your life changes, and everyone's watching the show. You just hope that you represent everyone good, and that you're telling the truth, and that's all that you can ask for.
In the spirit of independent filmmaking, can you talk about what were some of the biggest challenges that you had to break through to get this story to the screen?
I mean, really, I think it was about just getting the opportunity to tell the story on the level that we did. And Taika and Garrett made that happen at FX. I was a guy off the streets. There's no reason that I would even got in the lobby, but they walked me through the lobby into a room where there were executives with money, and they greenlit the show and let us make the show. And to FX credit, they also just trusted us, and they let us hire indigenous writers and filmmakers to tell the story, and they gave us the freedom to do that. And I think that, you know, I'm more proud about what's going to come out after this because of what we proved. That they gave us the opportunities, and we stepped up and we did it.
Awesome. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.